In this video we're just going to talk about the tally lamps on the Panasonic GH6. So in the GH6 we've got a new kind of body design, and part of that includes an additional tally lamp. So the tally lamps essentially, if you don't know, they're just lights for when we're recording. They just indicate that the camera is actually recording. So we've got one here on the back, and then on the front we've got another tally lamp up here. So it sort of comes in line with these new recording buttons. So, you know, we've got a recording button there, the shutter's a recording button, and also we've got this new one here. So when we turn the camera on, you can quickly see the sort of default of them. So if we're in our video mode, if we just record, you can see the back tally lamps go in, and turn it around, you can see the front ones go in as well. And it might be that, depending on the type of filming you do, it might be that you're kind of doing close-up sort of camera work, or, you know, I mean, essentially if you were vlogging, that falls under the same thing. So maybe you don't want like an orange cast over your face if you're in sort of a darker situation, or it might be that you don't want the tally lamp on the back just kind of on and casting a shadow on yourself. It's one of those things that's a bit of a personal preference. Sometimes if you're doing interviews, the tally lamp on the front can be really useful for, you know, whoever's doing the interview. They can use that as a visual indicator to know that you're recording, even though you'll probably be giving them prompts and cues anyway to sort of tell them, you know, when to talk and what's going on. But it can be a good indicator for somebody there. It might be that you maybe want to switch one off and keep another one on, but the camera's really nicely thought out in this sense. Like if you jump into the menu, we can actually come to we need to be in the cog, and then if we go to this one that sort of looks like a little square with a Wi-Fi coming out of it, it's the in-out menu. This is probably how the menu will look when you look at it. If you press up, the tally lamp's right at the bottom. So you can actually, if you want the lamps, you can switch them into a sort of high setting, a low setting, or you can just switch them off. So technically we could just have them both off if we want, and then when we hit record now, those lamps have just sort of deactivated. So we can and we can switch them back on again if we wanted to. It's just a nice little option that's there if you kind of want to use it. I think the default is fairly nice, you know, as long as you haven't got the camera too sort of close to your face or anything like that. The tally lamps can be really useful to actually tell you when the camera's recording. The other thing that's quite nice is that new sort of red frame that they've added in. That's a really nice visual indicator that the camera is actually recording. I suppose the only other time would be if you were doing very dark shooting, and you don't want the sort of camera casting too much light on yourself. But there's actually a mode in there called night mode as well, which is really great. We'll look at that in another video, and you could sort of use that alongside disabling the tally lamp in that sort of situation. But it may be something you use, it may be something that you don't, but hopefully you found that useful. And if you want to see more sort of GH6 content, then subscribe to the channel.